Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hello guys, this is How to Solve, and now I am going to teach you how to give others access to your Facebook Business Manager or your Facebook page. Alright, so things have changed. We have what we call the Business Suite. This is the new edition of Facebook where you can manage your Facebook page and see some insights. So from here, you can actually give access, but apparently not anymore. So if you click here in this three lines, you can see that it's just ads, insights, planner, business feed, appointments, events, orders, and settings. But if you would click the settings, you would see that there is no button for you to give access to other people or to your business partners. So what we can do is to directly go to Facebook, and then we would open the pages and the page we want to access. So from here, let's just go to settings, and we will see page roles. And then click add person to page, and we can search the name of the user. So from here, we can choose if we want this person to be our analyst, our advertiser, our moderator, editor, or our whole admin. So in this case, we would want this person to be our admin. Then click add, and there we go. We added Rexel Diaz as an admin, and that's just how simple things are right now. So before, the business manager is more complex than the Meta Business Suite, but now it's just how it works. Okay, add person to page, and then that's just it. The person has been added. So that's just how you give access to your Facebook page or your business manager with other people or your business partners.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.